Welcome to eBooks for Fashion podcast, the fashion marketing podcast that will help you to start or to grow your fashion business today. Want to learn more? Visit our website ebooksforfashion.com where you will find lots of free resources for your fashion business. Thanks for listening.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my IGTV. So today's free workshop is all about how to attract the right dream customers for your fashion business. So this is a very important topic because every time you are creating an offer, you are creating a product or a service, you must think always first about your dream customers. Why? Because you need to tailor your offer and you need to tailor your products or services on your customers' needs. You need to solve their problems, satisfy their needs, and giving them benefits with what you are offering. That's why today I want to talk to you about this very important topic because all your fashion business, everything is around your customers. So we need to think about a customer-centric marketing. Basically, we need to think about how we can develop our business around the needs of our customers. And that's why today we are talking how we can attract them, what we can offer to our customers to keep them loyal and to basically create them as advocates for our fashion business. But before starting today, just want to remind you that our certified online course Start for Fashion is open and there is an amazing bonus which is free coaching calls with me while you are taking our certified online course Start for Fashion, Start Your Fashion Business from Zero. So if you at this moment you want to start your fashion business, just make sure to enroll for Start for Fashion. So you will learn step by step how to start your fashion business from scratch, and also you get free support from me with coaching calls. So it's not only a classic online course, but you get a support one-on-one with me. That's why I just want to make sure you know that there is this offer, this bonus, and this bonus might expire very soon. So make sure to enroll now for Start for Fashion. Start your fashion business from zero. And now let's dive in. So basically, how you can attract your dream customers. Your dream customers is everything. Basically, you need to know your dream customers as your best friends. Only in that way you will be able to really create something valuable for them and something that they want. If you speak the same language as your dream customers and you know exactly them as your best friends, as a part of your family, you'll know exactly what you can create. And this is very important at any stage of your fashion business. If you are starting out or if you are growing your fashion business, the only way to increase your sales is to know exactly what your customers need. So in this free workshop, I just want to mention 7 steps you can take to understand as much as possible your dream customers. So let's start. First of all, you need to visualize who is your dream customer. Is a female or is a male? Who is? Just think also physically. A good exercise is to visualize physically your dream customer. Imagine the face, imagine the body, imagine how he or she looks like. And so if you know exactly which is which nationality, for example, what's her age or his age, everything, where does he or she live, you know exactly what type of person you can attract. The second thing is to think about your dream customer's lifestyle. That's very important because you need to know which is her or his profession, which income, if he's single or if he or she is married, or for example, if what does she do in their spare time, which kind of books, which kind of film, movies, which places she loves or he loves, which kind of bar, clubs, anything. It's important. Any kind of information is precious, is gold, to understand exactly who is your dream customers. Also, what kind of travels, what kind of food they eat or they love. There are many things that you have to keep in consideration. Now we are just trying to summarize to understand what are the most important. Then the third step is you should describe your dream customer's personal style. What kind of clothes or accessories does she or he look like to wear? What do you think does she or he spend on a purchase of those brands? How much does she or he spend on fashion by monthly? What are their fears, challenges, frustrations, problems? Basically, what are their values? This is very important. You should really understand what are their values. All these questions are really important because imagine if you want to create advertising of your fashion products or fashion services, you need to know exactly all these things. More things you know about your dream customers, more you will be specific in the ads on Facebook, Instagram, Google, Pinterest, LinkedIn, any kind of social media, and you will spend less money and get the results faster. That's why I'm so passionate to teach you how you can attract your dream customers, and all of this information are filled in my online courses, especially if you are starting out in Start for Fashion online course, certified online course. Then the third step is to describe where you can find your dream customer online and which kind of social media is she or he using. For example, if they are using Facebook, Facebook groups, Instagram, so you know exactly where to find them. If they are using Google to search online. If, for example, my customers are not on Twitter, so I'm not really interested in Twitter, actually. And also the same thing is for Snapchat. I really don't like Snapchat. I don't like TikTok actually as well. But this is a personal thing that I really don't like those kind of platforms. So that's why I prefer to concentrate my efforts only on the platform where I feel good and where I can find my customers. So you should know exactly also what phrases and exact language does she or he use, so you can speak the same language using the same words as them. So can you imagine how powerful is this? This is really, really important. Then the fifth thing is to think about how a day in your customer's life look like. You can imagine, you can visualize how their day is. What does she or he do when he or she get up in the morning? What do they do when they finish working? So all these things are so powerful and precious to really understand how to attract them. What is your dream customer's dream? This is sixth step. What is your dream customer's dream? What does he or she piss off about their current situation in their life, in the industry? And the seventh step is to step into your dream customer's shoes. So try to be them. try to be her or him and try to really think with their minds. In this way, you can understand exactly what they want and how you can create a perfect offer. So once you know all these 7 steps, you can learn from dates. Basically, you can learn from your Instagram profile in the insights or in Google Analytics. You can get all the dates and you can improve what you do. Try to get better marketing strategy to attract more and more of your dream customers. So let's recap right now, as we have almost finished this free workshop. What are the 7 steps? First, visualize also physically your dream customer. Second step, think about your dream customer's lifestyle. Then third, describe your dream customer's personal style. Fourth, describe where you can find your dream customer online. Fifth, think about how a day in your dream customer's life look like. Sixth, what is your dream customer's dream? What does he or she piss off about the current situation in your industry? And 7th step into your dream customer's shoes. So I think I made a short explanation how you can find your dream customers. So I think you can try to work on that. And if you need any help, just go to ebooksforfashion.teachable.com. You will find all our courses, ebooks and online courses. If you are at the stage that you have already started a fashion business but you don't know how to grow your sale, you can also check Fashion for Profit online course, but also which gives you really a boost to grow your sales, because it's a very powerful course specific about growing your sales in your fashion business. But if you're starting out, I strongly suggest you to check Start for Fashion. Launch your fashion business, start your fashion business from zero, because it's a step-by-step guide and you will learn everything about starting and launching your fashion business. If you need more information, just send me a DM here on Instagram and I would love to help you and reply for any kind of question. Thank you so much for watching and listening to this free workshop, and talk to you very soon. Bye for now.